Yeah!
Honk if you have a nice car, people!
We should do it for like a charity, then we'd get more honks.
Yeah,
I
but
know.
we don't have a charity. We need to have a license.
Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Ground! Honk if you have a nice car! Honk if you have a nice car! Honk for your car! Honk,
your
it
car,
won't give you a penny!
Steve!
Honk, it will give you a penny! Okay. Why? Honk if you have a nice car, people!
Carleigh, do we have to go to Sobeys?
Yes.
My mom works here.
We'll just stand right here.
My mom works here.
We'll just stand right here.
She can see me for that window, probably.
We'll survive. Let's stand on the grass. It's really hot out here. Honk if you have a nice car! Love your taxi.
We're at
Oh my God,
Sobeys.
we're in Sobeys right now.
We're not in
Well,
Sobeys.
we're not in Sobeys. Oh! Honk if you have a nice car! Honk if you have a nice car! Honk if you have a nice car, people! Honk for your car! Honk if you have a nice car! Hey, we got one so far. We only got one honk. Help us out here. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk if you love your car. Come here, Paul.
Yeah!
Honk if you have a nice car. We're having some technical difficulties here. I can't.
Should we fix it?
We gotta fix it, guys. Oh wow, this is a mess. While we're here, make sure you subscribe to Carleigh Rocks. Carl the Llama is Beast. I'm Carleigh Rocks with Carl the Llama is Beast. And Shot of Epicness 11. Subscribe, guys.
Doesn't look
Alright,
like
it looks safe now. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk if you have a nice car. That's 3 honks right there.
Those two.
Now we have
I
an
know.
equivalent of 3 honks. Honk if you like
It's
your
a
car.
dog. See the dog.
Nice car.
The dog is honking.
Now we got 5 honks. Okay, we just need
Sobeys was a good idea.
8, 9.
Hey, look at Barry.
We need 11
Look at
more.
dog.
A convertible. Oh, honk if you have a nice car, convertible. We love your car.
What about the...
Honk if you have a nice car.
He knocked. Someone honked.
Honk for us, please. Please honk. Honk. Honk if you have a nice car. Have some self-esteem. Okay, so we still need 11 more honks.
Why
People get up
11?
to the street more. Honk if you have a nice car, lady. Honk. You could get like pick up the property, guys. Really? Probably.
Let's go. Let's go up back to April.
Let's back up to April. Go back up to April. Honk if you have a nice car. Sponsors, that's first. Hey. Just hang on. Honk if you have a nice car. It's honk if you have a nice car. 7 honks now. It's 4. Come on, 9 more. Let's stay right here. Yeah,
What about over here? That one.
He didn't even see us.
Yes, he did.
Okay. So that's 10 honks. 9 honks. We need.
Oh my God, we're passing cars.
We need 6 honks. Oh, if you have a nice car. Oh, if you have a nice car. Anybody? Nice cars?
Someone's gonna. Everybody.
Honk if you have a nice car. Right here. Honk. 10 honks. 11.
11.
No, yeah, 11 honks. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk if you have a nice car.
Carleigh.
Okay, good
That
now.
counts
as 2 honks. Thank you. That's 13 honks.
The ground.
We need 3 more honks. 3 more honks. 3 more. Come on. Honk if you have a nice car. Come on. 2 more.
Carleigh, go that way. This works hard.
14. Come on. Honk if you have a nice car. Honk for us. Honk if you have a nice car. 2 more honks. 2 honks. Come on. Honk if you have a nice car. Please honk your horn for us. Honk your horn if you have a nice car.
I think that was my uncle.
I don't have any self-esteem for that.
I think that was my
Honk if you have a nice car. 2 honks. 2 honks. 2 honks. No. Okay.
You didn't think his car was nice.
Honk if you have a nice car.
Jim did.
Honk! Honk! No, don't wait. Honk. Honk your horn. Honk for us. Honk your horn for us. Honk that my car. Come on. Honk, do you like your hair?
Carleigh, go the other way. They're coming. They're coming.
No.
No.
Honk if you have a nice car. I can't read my song. Honk if you have a nice car.